Hey, what's up, everybody? So, boy, Cheesy from Lifestyle Podcast. Today in the studio, season 9 is called
another
Pravans.
Another banger.
You got another one?
Yes.
Yeah, Bagat inside.
Bagat inside. Ngiyezwa nje nakuthi hayi kulo hleko lwe-America.
American
love. Kuhle sibili kanani kubuyekile.
Amakhetha khona.
Abalayitini.
Kuphi. Awukela abantu zathi.
Siphethe umandla.
Yeah.
Izinto zomphakathi.
Ungena abantu zathi.
Okay. Hey, nayo yakhetha.
Umuntu usuka hayi dula yimusi. Yaseculator.
Okay, Pravans.
Yes.
Abantu bafuna ukwazi bazwile udumo ukuthi kukhona ubhuti othi uPravans asehluphile uthi yathi Pravans social media Pravans ubani uPravans
Hey uPravans omunye undoda nje layo ozidlalela lamanzi man ogezayo undoda ophithizelisa amalayithi umfana kamatshelele uphunyuka bemphethe umadidi
ubenzele abafana ngentombi zabo
abafana bahlale kahle lapho omunye nomunye ehlale bambo wakhe ngoba abazokutshila mina bathembile abafazi balandela nje empukane
this is too much just silizwele ukuthi uPravans ubani and uPravans ubhuti umdala yena ngabe yenza ngani
mina umuntu nje othanda ukuchasa abanye uyazi ukuthi ngawubeka ngithi ukunceda abanye ukuthi ungavuka lento yakho ufike nayo ngiyayithathela phezulu ngiyayithathela phezulu ngiyithathela phezulu nguncedisela ukuthi ukwazi nawe futhi ukuthi uncedise abanye akuncedisela ukuthi kwazi ukuthi mina ngincedisile no ngincedisela ukuthi ukwazi nawe ukuthi uncede abanye kanti uyabona ngoba kunje kathesi singayakha icompany eyi1
yebo
then ama-product wonke athengiswa laphana asifuni ukuthi ayaziwe ngabantu abaphandle kuzayenza ukuthi kuhlale kule branch eyi1 so it means that person if that person dies ilegacy yafa
very true
but kathesi mina ngasiza wena usiza unumber 2 usiza omunye then you find out ukuthi ilizwe isizwe siyaphakama ngoba akuselo zafuna ukucela komunye but mina ngafuna ukuthi kuhlale kuthiwa this is Boss Pravans this is no that one iyenza ukuthi singayiphambili kanti uyabona ngoba mhlazana mfileyo mina it means that legacy had already gone akusela umuntu ozakwanisa ukuthi abe ne mentality liyana uyabona ne spiritual lesana sokusiza vele sesikhambile ngoba nina nsizela abantu usize mina but nina ngasiza wena ukuthi wena usize uchizi ngalo usize la esize uthobela umthombeni kusho ukuthi icompany yakho
Okay. So another thing, sifuna ukwazi ukuthi uPravans yena indlela asiza ngayo abantu ubasiza as a sponsor because sibone wangathi usebenzela ama artists amaningi from Bulawayo which is a very good thing, we like it, we love it. Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi ubasiza as a sponsor or as an organization or
how
kanjani?
Alright, mina mamfaka ulutho. Ngathanda ukuzifihla.
Okay.
So if I call myself a sponsor is someone who is pushing a brand. And I'm not pushing a brand.
Okay.
I'm helping. Okay. Ukuthi kusasa ukuthi ayi wobulawayo kuna ama musician anje uzongixolela vela ngikambi mabizo ngoba ngincedela ukuthi bekwazi ukuthi kusasa ukuthi wobulawayo kwakulobani ohlabelayo kwakulobani because here in Bulawayo you've got many talents but those talents they are not going anywhere because abantu abayiba abale mali they don't want to give those people money or to help them out ukuthi no ekwanisa ukuthi eyenze you know we have got bigger talents than in South Africa
very true.
We have got bigger talents in South Africa ungakhangela South Africa iyakho yithi ungakhala ama-construction amaningi and everything South Africa yakho yini
Even the biggest artists
even
develop
the
from that
industry,
side.
yeah.
yes
Yeah,
and
right.
even the biggest artists which are there
Abo
they are from this
yeah.
side
From this side,
and
yeah, that's true.
they end up going that side because this
Yeah.
side akula muntu obancedisayo
Okay.
but to keep them here kumele sibancedise
Okay.
Yeah,
Wait,
that's
what you
true.
are
Yeah.
That's how to keep them here. To keep them here, kumele sibancedise.
Yeah,
But
very
if
true.
singabancedisi bahamba ilizwe sebetshintsha ama-identity abanye sebecatshana ngale
Yeah, very true.
but into ekhona ama-Zimbabweans they are very talented
Okay.
too
Yeah,
much
facts.
Yeah.
that one vele angeke siyibalekele amazwe amaningi abanjwe yibo
Yeah, that's true.
Like it.
talented bafundile
Yeah.
but they don't have those people who have got the courage to help
Yeah, yeah,
ukuthi
yeah.
uhamba
right.
yabona uyathola ukuthi kulo mntwana ozabe epasile uzothiwa awubani uphume ubebhala 8 waphuma ne-8 points ne
Yeah.
ephuma ne-8 points akunamuntu ofuna ukunceda lowo mntwana ukuthi aye phambili then lowo muntu usehlalele i-8 points leziya
Yeah.
then kusasa bese sithi akufunde kuyahlanyisa
Yeah.
there is no way ayikho into
Very
enjalo
true.
but umntwana ngendlela ukuthi ubefuna ukuya phambili ubefuna ukuya khatshana
Yeah.
and so usehlala izizidla ingqondo ukuthi into engangiyifuna ayisayenza kahle into okwazi ukuthi umuntu ofundileyo uyahlanya akulamuntu ohlanyiswa imfundo imfundo iyanotice
Yeah, very true.
Yes.
Powerful,
yabona
powerful.
imfundo iyanotice there is no way ukuthi uthiwa umuntu kungathiwa uhlanyiswa ukuthi ufunde kakhulu
Akulandela.
no lapha kade khayelele uyafika khona kasafikanga so into leyo isimudla engqondweni
Okay. Oh.
Okay.
yeah
So, okay. So, uBravansi laphana encedisa umuntu angithi usuka khangeleni like is there any requirement ukuthi you need to have this so that I can take you somewhere? Or you just sukela umuntu or you have your investigation uqala investigate umuntu in a private way or uyenza kanjani kahle kahle?
you know mina in a helping way I can call it spiritual.
Okay.
You can come with your idea uyikhulume ngingayithengi ngingabe nendaba layo. Then someone passes by. Yes,
Yeah.
ebese senze into ezandonsa.
Yeah.
Bese ngithi no. Why into leyo ungayenzi so?
Yeah,
I will
okay.
help you out this way.
Okay.
Yeah. Although some of the other people they
Yeah.
don't appreciate.
Okay.
Yeah,
Very.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, and angenzela into leyo ukuthi bengi-appreciate futhi.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank
But umuntu mawumenzele something kumele umbone ngendlela ayenza ngayo ukuthi alright ngiphakamisile la and sasa bese ngithola ukuthi hayi umuntu lo ngendlela ukuthi mina ngiphakamisile sephakamisa ucheese
Yeah.
then sembona ukuthi no inhlanyelo le ngiyihlanyelileyo ngiyihlanyele ensimini evundileyo
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
ngihlanyela umumbu oyi-1 usuzela abantwana abawu-2
True. Yeah.
At least that's
And
something.
yabona.
Yeah.
Yeah.
then umumbu lo oyi-1 wasuzela abantwana abawu-2 kusho ukuthi lwana eminye leyana
Zazaza.
sokuyinsimu yonke
Yeah.
anti yabona
Okay.
sokuyinsimu yonke insimi isiphakile
Okay.
indlala isiphelile ekhaya
Okay.
anti yabona
Another question, choose.
So, hey, another question here. So you said it's more like of a spiritual thing.
Yeah.
yes
Oh, all right. So another question is, just in general, you've been in the game for too long in this industry.
yes
So, like, let's say if you were to give yourself a time frame in the next 2 years, what do you think you would have achieved by then? What that you don't have now?
all right you see from my own side
Yeah.
if I get $1 million today
Yeah.
I can use that $1 million ngisale ngiyela Vincent yes
Okay.
abantu bethi bona wena uthile kasela lutho lana
Yeah.
no
Yeah.
ngiyabe ngikwazi ukuthi that $1 million ngiyihlanyelile
Okay.
God is not stupid
Yeah. True.
ungayenza kahle i-appreciate
Yeah.
yes
Yeah.
me I have made millions
Yeah.
and I have lost millions.
Yeah.
I have made millions, I have lost millions. I have made millions, I have lost millions. Yes,
Yeah.
What I'm trying to say, I have been rich, poor, rich, poor, rich, poor, rich.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So ngingathi vele babe seduze kwami
Yeah.
babe sebeba ngumsindi bethi sebrokile kasela lutho kasela ndadlana
Yeah.
tomorrow ngivuke futhi
Ubathembum.
yes yeah
All right.
uthi usalindele ukuthi serira uthi awusela no that thing ngiyabe sengiyihlanyelile
Okay.
after
Invest.
uyihlanyela iyaphenduka Yazisisa. Mina ngathi ngiqala ukufika la koBulawayo. Ngiphulele eCholotsho mina. Ngathi ngiqala ukufika la koBulawayo.
Insimbi.
Insimbi akumanga. Ngathi ngifika la koBulawayo mina ngaqala ngasebenza eTenal Asbestos ngiphekela umanager. That was 2007. 17 years by then.
Okay.
Phekela ama-manager eTenal this and this and ngayekela. I used to walk from Ngerengere to Tenal Asbestos.
Oh damn.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ngisuka khona ngale ngibuye emsebenzini ngibuyele lana. We were getting those barriers check and what imali flow and everything as this.
Yeah.
So into yenzakala mina I'm from a poor family.
Yeah.
I'm trying to change my family. I can't say I've changed.
I'm still trying.
Yes, I'm still trying to change because I want them to live a better life.
Yeah.
So mina umasalo wamfundisa ukuthi umele ngiye church. Ngaye church besingene eZayotsha. So eZayotsha the only preaching abayenzayo ngeyokuthi you need to give so that you get. So that preaching went into my head.
Oh, that's powerful. Can you repeat that one, please?
Yes. You need to give so that you get. You see.
Yes,
so without giving, you can't get.
All right.
You see. Without giving, you can't get.
Another.
Yes. May I have seen in giving there is power. In giving there is power. You see, it's only that I don't talk about what I've done. Because I believe if I start talking about what I've done, it blocks the blessings. But there are people who can witness that. One go is more. One go into ezinje. One go into ezinje. Why is the one so? Why is the one? I have even invested a million, which I'm not a million rands, which I'm not even expecting a return. Yes,
powerful.
So. On those things, I've also benefited more from those things.
Okay.
Because some other time in Yavua, mfika mine, maybe I'll be too broken and have cent even no tell fuel. Mfika uzofana bethi dala namhlongane kuyakhanyanya. All right. You find out ukuthi mabethi kuyakhanyanya, imali ukuthi inhle ngithathe ngiyethenga imoto. Imali ukuthi ngithathe nhle ngiyethengini. But I don't just take that money and buy a house. I usually take 10% of it. I give it to people. No matter how I give it to people. Yes. I give. Mina kathesi mawungalanda ungena cent uxotshiwe endlini yakho. Mina nde $50 ubhadala irent ye $50. Ngine $50 ngena fuel yakunika yonke mina. That's how I am. And that thing, there's no way I can change that thing.
It's in you,
it's in me.
So, like, my question is, don't people take advantage of that?
There are people who take advantage of those things. You see. And I always pray to God that those people who take advantage of that thing, he must reveal their true colors. You see. So, I think if you go on my Facebook, you'll see what I wrote on my Facebook. I made money. When I made money, I had too many friends. My phone would ring like, I don't know.
No, but it's business.
Yes. No business, but there were people, I've got this. This and this. You see. Then I said to God, no, you need to reveal these people. Then, imali yaqala ukubaleka. Yabaleka labanikazi ngasala sengilaba engiselelayo. That's where you see true people, true friends. You see, God sent people. So now kathesi, just because I'm getting back to where I was. They're starting to call.
Fake friends.
Yes, but I'm feeling mina ngiyahle ngutshele same time.
Now umunye sefoni. You see, so that's where you see ukuthi
uzongixolela ukuthi ngizowabiza into ngoSathane.
Yibo vele.
igama lakho.
uSathane ubuye uzobhidlisa akayakhi.
Okay. Yeah.
You see kumele ukuthi mawufika emuntwini no matter what challenge you have, no matter what problem you have, you need to seek grace and prosperity.
Yeah, very true. Powerful. Yeah.
Uyabona kunje athesi you guys you can ask even 100 if I have yalinika ne, but those man imali yokuphiwa as long ungena grace it doesn't work.
Very true.
Yes, you go to it or to suka kona ilahleki just because you don't have grace.
Yeah. Okay.
But if you have got grace, that money will multiply.
Okay.
Into millions.
Another question, Provence.
Yes.
Yeah, indoda engangayiboni labo professor and all those guys. I don't want to mention names. I think when if you're comfortable, ungakwazi ukusitshela ukuthi suka wasebenza labo bani. If you are comfortable. But thina sikubonile vele ama big boys like several times.
All right. Since you guys have started inviting me here, it means people will see whom I have been working with because I will come with them.
Yes.
Yes.
I like it.
Appreciate it.
Yes, I will come with them. You see, the other thing, in everything I do, I believe there is nothing I can do.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
There are people whom I thought I would never talk to. But when I talk to them, they'll say, Dala. You see, big people.
Yeah.
You see, big people. Even in, like I was in Durban there, I'll just say brief about the Durban trip.
We saw something. So
okay. I won't say what you saw. I won't say what you saw. Okay. I went to Durban the other day. It was just a leisure trip. So when I was in Durban,
how was the trip though?
It was nice. So when I was in Durban there, there's this guy who picked me at the airport.
I call it bus stop. No.
Guys, you also with bus stops. You know what it is.
I call it bus station.
So we spoke. He became friends with that guy.
Okay.
So he's also doing the same thing which I'm doing.
Okay.
So he gives to the community. You see. So I asked him to show me around Durban. Took me around. So we went to another. It's what do you call Emakapeni.
Okay.
Yeah, we went there. So there's this other granny. Akasela mntana komkhulu na yehluleka elifini then hlala nabazukulu. So lapha ehlala khona bekune indlu yakhe iseduze nomfulo ohamba amanzi.
Okay.
And they crackile and everything. No. Into engayenzakala la. Ugogo yathi nethathwa amanzi. I pledged to build that lady in there.
Okay. Wow.
Then we went to see the chief. We spoke to other residents which are there. So they relocated the old lady to a better place.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. So then I said no, I'll build the house. Okay. Then abanye volunteer thina sayakha thina sayenzana and everything. Entweni lonkulunkulu phakathi kuba nabantu abaningi abafaka izandla.
Of course.
Angiziqhenyi ngengikwenzayo.
Which is good. Like, you need to be proud, man.
But we need to share something.
Abanye they might call it pride, but
no, it's not pride. I think it's important.
So then when I went there, when I came back here, spoke to the guy, my friend, go and see Coco. I sent him 1,000, bought grocery, went to Coco. Then isn't we had the challenge of the Keza thing? Yes. I also was afraid to travel. You see. Because some other time you get up ending in a crossfire.
They might bomb the aeroplanes that day.
So you see, even the threat was too much. Yes, even the threat was too much. So you never know.
Never know.
So that's what made the delay for that house to be done. Yes.
Okay.
So then when I went, when I went for the video shoot,
Okay.
for the video which is circulating, which is JC featuring Zinjazi Mluma.
Okay,
So yes, we went there. We went to go and see the site and everything.
Okay.
The plan was done while we were there, and everything was approved.
Ngixolele JC featuring Zinjazi Mluma, go and check it on YouTube.
Yes,
It's
on
Check it out on YouTube. Yes.
You say Misty Ungaitivu.
Misty
Ungaitivu.
Yes, Misty Ungaitivu featuring Zinjazi Mluma. Yes.
Okay.
So I took JC and Zinjazi Mluma. We went there to go and see the site, and I was with him Zo7. Yes.
So man, we need you on the podcast,
So
man.
he's also on the video.
Oh,
yes, also on the video.
Alright.
He did also a good job on that video.
Yeah, I saw him.
Yes.
Oh, I saw him.
Yeah.
Yes. So we went there with we went to Mzo and Zinjazi Mluma because Zinjazi Mluma and his crew they had a delay of the flight, so we had to change our flight so that we come together. But JC and his crew, they left earlier than us, so we went to the site. We saw the site and everything. As I'm talking, the construction, they are now building the house. So I sent the 40K, 40,000 rands to the guy who is doing everything for Coco. Yeah. So you see some other things you say,
I appreciate,
but we are doing wonders.
Yeah, man, wow, hey, man, yeah. Let's tell how do you deal with this?
Let me tell you something. Mina, I used to be angry when saying Ngirombile. You see, by then, we were sitting in Rombile just because I was too young. Now I'm getting old. They need to understand it's in my blood. You see, the other thing now, Babe want out to the roll of Antoravanning, Garamfazi. You see, so they'll say, Rombile, what?
Yeah,
but if Umagashan very long fast,
there's another thing, but I'm telling you, I want to know, I understand here, what's it? The more the money, the more the Vantuana, you know. I understand that.
You see, I never expected to have many kids with different women.
Yeah.
You see? But as time as goes, Ungena, Mcholweni, London, you see. Our fathers, some of them will take advantage. Abanye as it was start umuntu yamsola kade vele ufuqwa kwamademon yazisisa. So mina I'm not there to judge anyone. Yazisisa. Even mina nginje so kuya kulo munye umuntu engathandana laye wafela izono zalabo abangonayo. Yena engawonanga lutho. Yazisisa. So ngenxa ukuthi vele mina ngiyabezele le enga ngiyazele le enga ukuthi mina ntu bani wamphambanisa so engayenza similar thing to what happened. Yes, it brings back the old memory. So you find out ukuthi namhlanje yona lo sasa yena lo sasa yena lo sasa yena lo sasa yena lo then abantu besithi don't uthanda abafazi. No, I'm trying to get the one, but at the same time they are doing similar things. Ezintweni ezangenza ngaze ngazonda kumbe ngagcina sengichiya umshado wami.
Vele bengithi sezobuza ukuthi no Provence ushadile yini uvelo wayiphendula but was the fashion.
Angena mfazi andingi.
It's not searching.
You see, so that's where the other challenges and the other time I think mina myself, I think I need time. Ukuthi ngizibumbe mina myself. Because I see the other thing, if I try to push myself into relationship after relationship after relationship, I'll end up confused. So kumele ngiqale ngicabange ukuthi kahle kahle vele into engiyifunayo yini than ukuthi namhla ngizaqala ntshintshile izwe lonke. Then I'll be a bad experience to people. While at least I'm still trying to be a good person. So ngathi hayi mara ngime hayi umfazi angela.
indoda yakamfazi
hayi indoda yakamfazi ayidingi futhi indoda ayidingi
indoda liseshi
indoda izidlela impilo nje
enjoy life.
Okay. You see, the reason why I'm doing trips too much is just because I'm trying to have a self-relief.
Okay.
That's why I'm doing trips too much. Ngiyaphume ngithi.
Ukuvakavaka.
Okay, life as a man, you can enjoy life without a woman.
Ngisebenzile.
Yes. Simple as that.
I have worked. That much I can't deny.
That's true.
Yeah, I can't mention my properties, but I have worked.
Yes.
But I have worked. Esayizini yami esayizini yami ngisebenzile ukuthi ngikwanise ukukhipha lesandla esincane ngishe nabanye nokuthi mina ngiziphilise nokuthi abantu abami nje into ezinhle bengazizwela kwabanye abantu
kumakhelwane
hayi safe.
So to my point is, remember previous episodes always talking about Baba Mad and stuff like that.
Yo, damn God.
Back to the point topic
Let me tell you something. Here in Bulawayo, there are people who have got money. But the people who have got money, they are few.
Yes.
Very few. Okay.
Because into eyenzakalayo abantu bakobulawayo ngokutshwana baba bale mali bagijimisa ukuthi bafuna ukuthi kuhlonishwe bona bodwa. So vela kusoze kube labantu abaningi abale mali kobulawayo. That's the first thing.
Okay.
Then amadoda amaningi akobulawayo lizangixolela amadoda vela soze ngiyifihle lento
vele
amadoda amaningi akobulawayo bagijimisa igossip too much. They don't want to work bagijimisa igossip too much into zokuhlala amakuwa nalani lokugijimisa obhethi you find out amadoda amaningi uyathola kubhethi yes but instead of coming to the ground share ama ideas sincedisana sibe nemali sibanengi
inkinga we think sile that thing ukuthi sibona ngathi life iprank. This is real life, gents.
Yes.
Kunzima nje ukuthi uyebet nje wonke umuntu usebet uyokufuna uqakela inamba.
No, so you see uzathola ukuthi ebet uzadliwa usanwela senti uzagcina usungena ezikweledeni 2 uzagcina uthengisa ama i-betting is addiction. I-addiction enye engapheliwe. Yes. Into leyana yokuthi vele ungajayela ukuthi wena ikugembula uyafuna ukuchance mawufuna ukugembula ufuna uchance mina prefer ukuthi hambe egolideni uyogebha into ongayazi uzagembula uchance because there you'll be working at the end of the time you get something but kubet sokumele uyogeza imithi lana and at the end you find out ukuthi abantu abaningi bathi sebesebenzisa imithi uhambe ebhethi udliwa usuthatha imithi. Yes.
Ngama minutes ethi amalutshwane khona question it's our common question. It's our very common question.
Take your time.
Into enzakalayo ukuthi silokubuza ama guests wethu ukuthi who must come first between your wife and your mom?
All right. To me, umama wami ukuthi ngize ngibe lapha engikhona khona. Mina I believe imkhuleko yakhe. And I believe ukuthi if ngabe wenza i-abortion ngabe kangikho. So ambona ukuthi ngingaqhakathekisa umuntu engimbone eselamazinya akwanileyo.
Never.
Kwesisikhathi masibala sithi umfazi uyabuhlangane kwesisikhathi lo mfazi omunye osengumbhodazo oseqedile izwe lonke. So you can't trust that person. You can't trust that person. Umuntu ukuthi wena uyakwazi ukuchita wena. Umamakho engakumela akufele but umfazi wakho uyakwanisa ukulala lo mna wakho kume alale lo ngane wakho
yazini besibuza ama questions le questions was 1,000 times. Yes. I think abantu nesibabuziwe we are the second person okwakhuluma into engathi
No vele uyabona into ekhona ungabuza umuntu osemathandweni umuntu osemjolweni umuntu orobhekileyo uzagijima ayabadliswa ayabavalekanga ungayenza njalo uyabusa wrong umuntu lwana uyabenza so yathi kule into yokuthi kathesi wena ungakhonjwa inkazana ezabe kutshela ukuthi abadala bakhona lana ungakhonjwa inkazana ofree uyabona ngani vele uphila kwelakho ilizwe wedwa why ngoba free you can go there anytime you can do whatever no viti nyanyara vistas oyifunayo anytime balwana ulani ule timetable so ungabuza umuntu onjalo osemjolweni phakathi inside uza second umuntu wakhe uyasiza but bese khohle ukuthi kule reality uyasiza nami ngabe umbuze engisemathandweni beza utshela into ukuthi nawe ubuza uthi bathi kuthi umfazi ngoyoqala it makes sense uyasiza but mina I believe umama uqhakatheke kakhulu ukwedlula wonke umuntu umama uqhakatheke kakhulu ukwedlula ubaba
more than anything
umama uqhakatheke kakhulu ukwedlula ubaba ngoba ngabona ekwanisa ukuthi ekuthwale 9 months it's not easy 9 months is not easy wena ungaphila 9 months ungela mali uyasiza you can't and kuyamela udinge lani uyasiza but yena uyathatha i9 months focus ngawe aqede lapho awupheleli ku9 months aqede lapho uthi wena usuzelwe uqede umunye phela lesasikhathi kokungekela thina sizalo kokungekela phela sichapho zathengwa zingama
but umntana to be very honest and tina like simunya size sifisa kuma 15 years
good
15 years lokho simunya lokho usadependa kumama everything mama
then if you are saying 15 years upambanisile uyabona kunje mina if I have got a problem athesi ngikala ngigijime ngiye kumama isikhathi esiningi mina umama wami ngiyamesaba kulo mamncane wami uhlala eGoli any challenge engeba nayo ngicala ukutshela yena there are some stories ukuthi ngangitshela kwesisikhathi ngize ngikhale umzwethu hayi mntana nami iqina yazi ngoba yena ngamthatha nje udadewethu umama wami ngudadewethu umngane wami usisi wami and everything so ngifree kuye yazi but vele umama uba umntwana uzube mhlazana uba umuntu omdala umama wakho mhlazana
uba umntwana uzube lidlozi
yebo
okay umntwana another one this one ulokuba ngathi we're not trying to be tribal ne it's a just general question
okay
for any reason would you date a shona lady
alright mfuna ukuthi ngiziphendulele mina esayidini lami mina osisi besishoneni yabesaba uyakwazi ukuthi into eyenzakalayo ekubasabeni kwami uyakwazi ukuthi ukuthandana lo ntombazana wesishoneni kulicala khona ukhona liqala ukhonjwa kulicala uyazisisa unzwisise ukuthi ngithi kulicala ngani futhi uyazisisa ngoba indlela okuchajanwa ngayo esishoneni uyazisisa indlela okuchajanwa ngayo esishoneni ayisokuya kubudlelwane uyazisisa esindebeleni wazi ukuthi 1000 rand wena uyakwanisa ukugijima uphuma usehla ngikhaya usuphuma ugqokele short ngoba bazala ukhiphe 1000 rand kuphela esishoneni akwenza and uyabona esishoneni ungatshonelwa umntanabo ungamlobolanga ulaye usenjeni so kumele ube kwazi ukuthi awusumyanga noma umyanga umntwana wona uzahlupha ukuthi ezebekwe izinto esendhlane lazo nje ngizibona ekuhambeni lapha yasisi so mina unkazana wesishoneni lizangixolela abazangixolela hayi mina ngokwami ngingaze mvulele million hayi unkazana wesishoneni uyazihlalela esishoneni lami ngiyazihlalela esindebeleni kwento yakhona ngoba amfuni ku create our enemies. You know the enemies which we create while we are alive. Those are the enemies which are going to haunt our kids when we are gone.
Oh my God,
that's deep.
We're going into your point because kathesi wena ungawonela mina ubona ngani wena uhlakaniphile kumbe lana even le Bible liyathi ukuthi mina ngiyehlisela ububi baboyihlo ezizukulwaneni uyazwisisa so mina all my sins my kids they will die for my sins so the good I do that's the good my kids they will receive
of course
so for my kids not to be cursed I better stay away from Moses question.
Thank you for your time.
Okay, one thing, into le yazi ukuthi kunjani? Iyasala isiluzimo. Yes. Yona liyani into yona isala isiluzimo sisi ebantwaneni, abantwana basaphili kahle. But vele mina njengoyise nihlalele kathana lento zona lezi zingabaphambanisi abantu abamba safe.
Okay, so I have a question, last question. Any advice you would like to give to us youngsters?
All right. The only thing mina vele engasoze ngibalekele engasoze ngifihle futhi. Stay away from drugs.
Yes,
this is. The other thing in drugs there's no future. It reduces your lifespan. Ungakhangela utshwala bona ngokwabo bubhaliwe.
Hayi khokho le.
Utshwala bona bubhaliwe ukuthi buyabulala. Ungalanda igwayi lona leliyana ungakhangela. Lapha kubhaliwe ukuthi into le iyabulala.
Samfulu.
Kubhaliwe ukuthi iyabulala. Mawusiyalithiya ukuqala ukubala kwapha. Uzabona wedwa. Uzabona no lapha ngiapply ukufa.
Yeah.
And the other thing into engile advisor yona ezabancane every cent counts. Imali yonke oyitholayo try to budget it, save it, do something big. Ungayenza 1000 ne zama ukuthi 1000 liyana ngcono ubusiyabhadalela istand sendlu ubusiyabhadala amambijana uphosela amambijana than ukuthatha icrowd uyichaza eclubini yazis leza into chira thina sesilemali it's not that uthi siyabesachaza futhi it kule into okuthiwa yi token of appreciation if someone do good to you do good to him yes so amasesebenzile sachayisa mina my workers singasebenza even once a month or once a year or twice a year ngiyaba keep out
okay
I don't care ukuthi spend emalini yes ngiyaba keep out because bona ngokwabo by future kimi
very true
nganxa ngingena abasebenzi kuthi asoze ngimele imali
word of the day Mthomtana
yes
word of the day
siyabonga
wobande mizi libe lezini akunanto emnandi njengokulala endlini yakho ukwazi ukuthi akunamuntu ozakuqoqodele kuzi rent akunamuntu ozakuqoqodele ethi vele ndoda banelala kuzebenje yazisi endlini yakho uyangena ulale ngesikhathi
usifuna
yes supportani banenge sinabo okuflight uhamba kuye uyakunika ama-payment terms.
Okay.
I think he's taking even almost 250 or flight, 250 US. Uyakunika installment to pay. Unga-reacha that lokuzene. Then sekunika indawo. Ususiya yakha. Uyapho njalo ubhadala futhi ngapha ususiba lendlu. Indlu ayithi ukuthi kumele ube layo semayadini. Emayadini chira thina bale mali. Uyaqala elokitshini uqala elokitshini usiyama emayadini ungaba lendlu elokitshini ungaba lendlu e1 uyakwazi ukuyakhe so ku-easy ngase kuyi-hobby kuwe le yabona so kuyi-hobby
Mthomtana thank you very much thank you for your time I like this yo my god yabona thina